Guys, magluluto po tayo ng mushroom. Saging ng mushroom. Ayan guys, so saging ng mushroom. So guys, ayan. Fresh sitaw from the backyards. Lagyan natin ang ating sitaw. Natin ang bagong homemade. Siyempre hindi mawala ating magic. Yan guys, luto na ang ating dinengdeng with mushroom. Yan guys, oh. Sarap guys. Yan. Yan guys, with gabi. Gatang gabi. Ihaw. Yan guys. Sige tayo guys.